Hi, today we're doing something completely different. Spraying the car bonnet. So if you remember a while ago, with Phelan's CRV we fixed up all the front and he got a new bonnet for it. So what I've done is taken the bonnet off, rubbed it down, put a couple of coats of undercoat on it, rubbed it down, and now we're putting the top coat on it. We've had the first coat, so another couple of coats to go, and then a clear coat and she should be fine. Ready?
Yeah. Test spray, test spray. Yeah.
You get that splatter and it just...
Oh, it's nearly empty, is it?
I think so.
I'll leave it there.
Now, 60% of us think it is a good idea.
Drop it there. Thank you.
Also former deputy campaign director.
Another parcel for Dan. That's
Another
today, by the
parcel.
way.
Thanks, mate.
God bless Team U and Amazon.
Fucking every day's like Christmas in this house.
What's it this time?
I haven't got a clue. I can't even remember what I've
You're as bad
ordered.
as me. I order stuff and it rocks up and go, oh, did I order that?
Oh, aye.
Oh, did I order that?
Whoa. Oh, aye. I just got a delivery. Heat shrink for my cables.
Where's that from? Is that Team U?
That's Team U. I went on the other night and ordered a lot of stuff. I never expect it to be too fancy, like, you know. But hey, I have had some stuff that's been good. Let's have a look, see what this is. Is this my washers? Oh, how do you open these?
Get your knife here, Dan.
Oh,
Your O-rings.
an O-ring set, look at that. Wow. That's handy because the amount of times I'm working with something and an O-ring's going. Got all different sizes from tiny minute ones to massive. That'll be well used. What else have I got? What's this? Oh! This is something that's very handy. This is what do you call these square things, like relay?
Relay.
This is a relay tester, so you clip them on your battery, you plug your relay in, it tests them, so you've got all the different types of relays, 4-pin, 5-pin. You can test them to see whether your relay is knackered or not. Just pennies for this thing. What else have I got? Oh yes. Cloths, because I was needing some, although I'm sure I ordered 50. But however, what else have I got? Oh, look at that. 3 copper washers for the sump on the car. Oh, what's this? This is heavy. It's like Christmas.
You don't know what you bloody bought.
I know.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, what's this now? Let's see. Oh, you bugger. Oh, now they're handy. They're very handy. This is these sockets. If you've got a nut you can't get off and the nut's rounded and worn, you hammer these on, and as you turn it, it grips the nut and takes it off. These are very handy and they'll be well used and they're quite well oiled, which is good. So this goes for 13 up to 17 millimeters, 13, 14, 16, 17, 17 and a half, 19, blah blah blah, and all the other sizes, 12, 10, 8 and 6.35. So that'll cover just about every nut I need to take off. What else? Oh, this is a bit squashed. Oh yes! No fibres in the bottom, nut. This is my new
Air gun.
My new air gun. It's like the old ones used to get in the garage. You know, with the wee gadget you see up there? Yeah. I'm sure Craig Guy's used one of them many a time. With the wee ends for different size airlines. I've got one with a dial on it and it's never accurate, and always like these. I thought these were always accurate. So
They're the best ones.
yeah, and it's got the wee trigger for letting air out as well. That's handy. Next. Jesus, I didn't have to buy some shit.
Cloth.
Oh, more cloth. Excellent. And
More cloth.
again, more cloths. Yep. And I've also had a torque wrench, but it's a digital one, but I don't know how to work it. I don't know how to set it, but we'll get onto that one day. And I got a top-down OBD2 reader, but this one doesn't just read codes and clears codes. This one, you can go into the system of the car and change things. So it wasn't overly expensive, but I think it was. But I'll do a video later on that and show you exactly what it does. But yeah, good old Timu. I never normally buy this stuff, but I saw something I wanted. It was that OBD2 reader. And then it says, Timu's giving you $200 off your next purchase. So you purchase stuff and you didn't get the money off. It's just a swizz. However, back to the car. So here we go. We've heated it up. And now for the next coat. So you can put these coats on more sparse and get more of them, the more the paint goes on. She'll be alright, just that bit there, eh? This is matte clear coat. I just realised it.
That's not matte.
No, wait now.
Have you got enough of your own stuff?
I might have another clear coat there.
At times we can always nip down, can't we?
Aye.
You want the
Gloss clear coat.
Is it full?
Full.
Okay. Because I'll bring that back, and because that's matte as it is,
Aye.
it'll look way off.
Aye, that bumper's looking better now with that brought in.
Over like that.
Right. Lovely. Didn't be put off by how it looks. That's just normal for clear coat. I think you're blowing the paint away, you can see it all going whoosh. Whoosh. That's better. That's better like it. That'll be alright, I think. When you do this, do the bonnet.
With the polishing pad.
Cutting pad.
The cutting pad.
You really need the cutting pad.
But again, it'd be very light though.
Yes. But that'll bring it up to, like it's saying to use a 1500 grit. I would just cut it. I mean, you could wet and dry it with a 1500 or a 2000 and then cut it, and when you cut it with that, you'll find that it comes up really nice. It takes all these marks away.
Yeah.
I mean, these marks will probably disappear anyway as it dries.
Yeah, hopefully you will.
It's looking alright though.
Ah, it's not better than what it was.
Oh hell aye. Where did I put your nuts and bolts? Oh, there they are.
Oh.
Now is it easier?
Do you turn it? Oh, you know. Hang on. It's like dancing with it. Now the screws and bolts are there, Dan.
Right.
Just grab one. I'll hold this. Did I pull it too far away from you? That's it.
That looks alright.
Oh, let's have a look at it.
Well, it's shot.
Yeah, it will.
Ooh,
There you go.
that looks alright.
Just a little buff now.
I reckon, aye, once that's fully dried out and buffed, she'll look fine. And she matches in quite well, actually.
It's just a polish, really.
Yeah. It's just like it's needing to come down a wee bit. Aye, it's sitting up off the light here. I need to adjust it so as
Is
it'll...
it not sitting on the light?
Aye?
No.
No. Huh. That's not so bad a gap here now.
That's all right.
That's a bit better. It looks better.
Now put the grill on it
Yeah.
and the thing's there.
Aye.
Oh, can I get that Honda badge off?
I don't know.
Because
Probably.
because it doesn't come. The grill doesn't come with a Honda badge, or I'll just buy a Honda badge.
Oh, right. Right.
I think the grill I'm getting is all black.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
it'll
you'll probably... I'll actually match the black on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you might find... you might be able to take this off, you know, when you take this off, there'll be a couple of bits on the inside
Yeah, yeah, I'll have a look at it.
that you can take the whole thing off. Looks alright.
Because it's still soft.
That doesn't look too bad actually. That looks quite good, but you can see it. You can see where the strokes are.
Yeah.
But as that dries, that'll disappear. And then once it's cut, she'll look fine. But that matches the rest of the car fine. Actually, you know, when you day cut that on Friday or whatever, I would probably give it a 1,500 or a 2,000. Just till you feel it going smooth. And then once it's smooth, take the buff over it and cut it with the cutting paste. And that'll come out as smooth as what the rest of the car is.
I'll try the outside
Yeah.
in there.
Anyway, that's that for the day.
Yeah, another successful day with
Another
therapy with Dan.
Yes, yes. And I'll see you all later. I hope you enjoyed this wee short one.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you guys.
Bye.
Take care.